Welcome to our new video of ScoreSmart. Today we are going to learn about absolute values. Let's begin. What is absolute value? Absolute value is the distance from 0 on a number line. We don't consider the direction in this case. We represent it by modulus symbol. So let's start. Modulus value of a number, a positive number, is always positive. For example, modulus of 5 is 5. The distance of the number 5 from 0 is 5 units. Modulus of 23 is 23. Modulus of 100 is 100. Modulus of any positive number is positive. Modulus of a negative number. Modulus of a negative number is also positive. For example, modulus of minus 5 is 5. The distance of minus 5 from 0 is 5 units. So modulus of minus 5 is 5. Modulus of minus 23 is 23. Modulus of minus 100 is 100. Let's consider one more example. A negative sign which is outside the modulus, the negative sign comes as is. But inside the modulus, the negative number becomes positive. So negative modulus of minus x is minus x. For example, minus and then modulus of minus 5 is minus 5. Modulus of 0 is 0. Hope you understood absolute values. Thank you for watching this video. For more such videos, subscribe to ScoreSmart Private Tuitions. Thank you.